At this point, there will be no more reading. Uh, the lessons, I'm going to put a link in the comments on this video, and it will take you to all the lessons. First of all, it'll give you a index. This is the index page right here to the scripture locations and the golden text. In other words, it'll go through the Old and New Testament. The scripture location would be Genesis 1:1, and then the golden text would be 2 Corinthians 5:17, and it goes through all the scriptures. Then in the very next paper, you'll have the Old Testament, which will give you the lessons, lesson 1, and then all the way down to lesson 2, and it gives you the whole outline. And then in the next one, which would be the Old Testament, Joshua through Kings, and it'll give you like lesson 58 onward. And then in the next one, it would give you the New Testament, Matthew through John, the 4 Gospels, and it tells you what the lessons numbers are. And then in the last one, it'll give you the New Testament and the Acts to Revelation, and that will complete the whole set, and they're quite long. So if I drag it all the way down to the bottom, the last lesson is 262, and this would take you through the whole year. And this is all good information, and you'll find it on the Plymouth Brothers website, and I will include the link to the documents. So with that said, I'm going to end this video, and I hope all this information will help you if you are a Sunday school teacher, the teacher of the young, and little children can actually understand this stuff, believe it or not. We underestimate their little minds. So with that said, this completes this set of lessons by A.P. Gibbs.